Good morning, guys. We are currently on the top floor of our building. It's a really sick view. It's a little hard to see because it's bright back there, but
means it's good weather today.
Yes, very good weather today. So today we're going to be doing some more sightseeing in our last day in Phnom Penh. We're going to go to the Royal Palace, which is closed on the inside, but you can still see from the outside. We're also going to go to the Independence Monument as well. So it should be a pretty fun day.
And we're discovering that some of the places we want to visit in Phnom Penh are closed or have been closed since the pandemic. So we'll talk about them, and if you guys come to Phnom Penh and they're open, please let us know because we're a little bit sad. This is what the Independence Monument looks like from the 33rd floor of our hotel. And this is what the Independence Monument looks like from down here. So as you would expect, this is a monument commemorating the independence of Cambodia. It was built in 1958 when Cambodia won its independence back from France, and now it sits in the heart of the city. It's beautiful.
Okay, but like also, how are we gonna get across this? Not a single crosswalk in this giant roundabout. Alright guys, we are at the Shop 240 and it's near the Royal Palace. And we thought this place was like kind of expensive because our food is going to be like $15 or $16. But then we realized it's because it's an insane amount of food. So we're going to try to do the best that we can on this insane amount of food. And it looks really amazing though, and we're pretty excited to have a bougie breakfast. And then we're going to go check out the Royal Palace after.
This is what the Royal Palace looks like from the 33rd floor of our hotel. And this is what the Royal Palace looks like from down here. Unfortunately, the Royal Palace is closed. It's been under renovation for the past 2 years, and I have no idea when it's going to reopen. But it's a pretty cool place. All of the kings of Cambodia since 1866 have resided here, except for under the Khmer Rouge. But yeah, it looks really beautiful and detailed, and we would love to visit, but that's not going to happen for us. But we'll be back in Cambodia eventually in life. It's one of our favorite countries we've visited so far.
Alright, those girls went down there. Let's do it. Alright guys, we're still outside of the Royal Palace. We just cooled off in the shade at that park right there for a little bit. And now we are headed to a Buddhist temple built in the 1400s called Wat Ounalom. Probably butchered that.
And apparently it serves as the headquarters of Buddhism in Cambodia. And supposedly 500 monks live there, so.
That's a lot. Yo, that's a huge rooster. That's gotta be the biggest rooster I've ever seen. That thing is ripped. Your chances of a rooster murdering you are low, but never zero. Bunch of delegates. Those are the press.
So we're just sitting in the room right now and we heard thunder, and we have not been in a thunderstorm since being in Southeast Asia for the past few months. I don't know, I guess that's just normal, but we're from Florida and have thunderstorms like every day in the summer. Anyways, but thunderstorms are so comforting to us and we're just literally living right now.
Maybe we're weird, but we love a good storm.
There's something so comforting about thunderstorms. I don't know why, but my dad and I used to sit on the porch every single thunderstorm and just sit there and watch a storm.
Storm hunters?
We almost left you guys hanging earlier, so the reason why they were blocking off the roads and there were a bunch of state delegates is because the ASEAN summit is happening. So all the Southeast Asian leaders get together and have this summit about how to make progress. I watched a little bit about it and they were speaking about the situation in Myanmar and how as an international community we can aid the situation. So Joe Biden is in Phnom Penh right now as well, which is pretty interesting. And the royal government of Cambodia has installed over 10,000 military and police personnel in the city just to patrol and make sure Phnom Penh is super safe while this summit is occurring. I guess it's a perfect time to visit Phnom Penh. It's so safe out on the streets, and usually there's a lot of petty theft and crime, stealing phones, purses, what have you, but we haven't had to worry about that because there's a police officer on every single corner of the street in the city. We're ending the vlog where we began. We're up on the rooftop of our hotel again. Today was a lot of fun. It was pretty chill. A lot of things are closed since the pandemic, and there are more temples to visit, but if we're being honest with you guys, we've been in Southeast Asia now for 4 months and we are kind of getting templed out, and we're also kind of over night markets. There's a big night market to visit here as well in Phnom Penh, but we just decided not to go, and we also had a really nice thunderstorm, so that was a good evening. We're really grateful that we're here and we have the opportunity to visit them. So for now we're enjoying these skylines because tomorrow we have to leave and we're really sad about that, to be honest.
Yeah, we love Cambodia. Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed our little walk around Phnom Penh, and it is starting to rain on the camera, so we're going to end it here and pick it back up tomorrow with our travel day to Ho Chi Minh.
We're going back to Vietnam. See you tomorrow.
Bye bye.